Welcome, Junior Tuckies. Welcome to exam question 3 for excretion. Before you do the exam questions, make sure you watch my theory video, print the worksheet, and have the memo with you at hand. Right, let's get down to question 3. Question 3, there are 4 questions, and this is the overview of the question. Make sure to always read the introduction. The diagrams below show the reabsorption of salt and water through the tubules of a nephron in the kidney under 3 different conditions. The width of the arrows represent the amount of the salt and water. Right. Question 3.1. Name the hormone in the human body that's responsible for controlling the water content. And there we should already know that is ADH. You can use, obviously, the full word antidiuretic hormone. B, the hormone in the body that's responsible for controlling salt, and there we already know that is aldosterone. Name the gland that secretes the hormone in question 3.1b. There we already should know that aldosterone is secreted by the adrenal gland. Right. Which diagram, 1, 2, or 3, will represent a person who's eaten a salty packet of chips or salty chips on a hot day without drinking any water? So, here's your pictures here. And which diagram? Salty chips on a hot day. So, which person here from diagram 1, 2, or 3 had a salty packet of chips on a hot day and drank no water? You have to really study and look at the reabsorption and of the renal tubules. You also have to look at the size of the arrows. So, on a hot day, of course, your body is losing a lot of water. So, less water will be reabsorbed. So, you have to look for that. Less water is reabsorbed. And salty chips are meaning more salt will be lodged in the body, and you're looking at the sizes of the arrows, and so your answer can only be diagram 3. Question 3.4 asks us to explain our answer, why we chose diagram 3. So to explain our answer why we chose diagram 3, person is eating a salty packet of chips, so the blood will have a high salt content. That will cause less aldosterone to be secreted and less salt will be reabsorbed. Then the blood will have less water, so more ADH will be secreted and more water will be reabsorbed into the body. So if you're looking at the diagram here, you can see more salt is being lost and less water is being lost as well, because now we want to save water and we want to get rid of the excess salt. Thank you for joining me for question 3 for the exam questions. Join me for the other questions as well. Thank you.